time again. I only vlogged a couple of days ago, well, a few days ago. But I've woken up, it's a nice sunny morning, didn't put the blind down in the van last night. It's nice and sunny, and I feel like I'm gonna go out and do some things today. So I'm not sure what yet, but have a little bit of a morning, well, an hour or so tidying the van, and then let's see where we end up. Paperwork I have to deal with at the moment. I'm ready to get my French residency. I have my social security number, and then this is for Melon. This is still pretty much the best afterthought addition I have bought for my van. To not putting an oven in, a proper oven. Buying this was literally the best thing I could have done. Right. It works amazingly as an oven for everything. Buy yourself an Omnia oven. You want to go outside? Go. Worst places to wake up. Melon moved into the van, discovered I have a lot more things that I need to store. She doesn't really have a bed or anything, she sleeps on the floor, occasionally on the bed, but usually on the floor. But I noticed I go through a lot more water and stuff with her, having to keep filling her water bowl up, which then obviously when I drive I have to empty it. So I've noticed I have to carry a lot more water. So I've started carrying like a few bottles of water and stuff so that I can just use for filling and refilling her water bowl and things, and then I've still got the same amount of water that I'm used to. But I've kind of discovered that I'm coming to the point where I really need to build some extra storage, and I've been sort of looking at the van and thinking about where I can do that, and I've got a couple of ideas. So I'm thinking down here underneath the little table desk area that I built originally, I'm thinking I'm going to put a door on that, or some kind of closure system, so that I can store things in there a bit more easily without them just stacking them and hoping they're going to stay when I drive. I'm also thinking about up here along the top, maybe putting a set of shelves along here, or maybe some cupboards or something. Or alternatively, a big job would be raise the bed, flip the bed the other way, and add some storage like that. But currently I'm not really sure. I think the best option is up here at the moment. So yeah, maybe in a vlog or two that might be what I end up doing. So it's getting a little bit more difficult, and you live in a van, everything has to have a home, because otherwise you just end up in chaos every single day. And that's not ideal. That's not the reason I chose to live like this. painting plans of what to do with the rest of the day. Got a few friends that are just up biking. I'm gonna be heading down soon. Maybe go and meet them. Also kind of want to go down Valley. Try and get hold of these vets that I've been trying to call all morning so I can get Melon's second vaccination. And yeah, but currently I'm just wandering towards Big Island, the climbing wall. I'm going to meet a few people there and see what happens after that, really. Just play with the dog and have a chill day. We decided it was a little bit hot to sit in the sun, so instead we're going to do some exercise. Not really, we're just going to walk to the pra, meet our friends that just finished biking, and go from there, really. To the river path, almost, kind of, thankfully. It is hot as balls, and yeah, soon we're going to end up at the bar. Oh, bikers. How are we doing?
Hello.
How are we doing? Excellent headwear. Love it. Love it.
Oh, vlogging.
Don't lower the tone of my vlog. My vlogs are very respectful.
Are they respectful, are they?
Yes. Aren't they, Blanca?
Are you coming?
I am, yes. Some people are just made for it, Blanca. You can't deny your fate.
Please sponsor me. I need running.
I can't deny my fate.
No.
What's my fate?
You're made for made to be on screen. You're made for the limelight. Exactly. This is Melon's favourite bar in Chamonix. Hi Leila! You're on the vlog now.
Oh, yeah, I love you too. Latest update that I've heard is we are moving from this bar to another bar. We're gonna have what? We're having ribs and chips for dinner. So I'm gonna fast forward to that point, and we will catch you at the next bar. Thank you, Jackie. Thank you, Layla. For an amazing afternoon. Okay, so here we are, second bar, the Vert, my go-to. I've spent most of my years in Chamonix, parked very near this bar. And here we are, here's Melon. Let's get settled. Be careful now, it's very dangerous. Very dangerous. Woo! Oh wow, that was like butt squeak there. Okay, so I'm actually now filming this end of this video a few days after the last few clips that you saw. I ended up having too much fun and forgetting to finish off the vlog. So here I am, rounding it off now. I have actually already filmed another vlog that I'm about to start editing from a little trip that I did to Cooaroo with a friend. So that will be the next vlog. Hopefully I'll have that for you in a couple of days time. Again, let me know what you want to see, as always. Tell me what you think, leave your opinions, positive or negative. I like to take on the criticism, and I'm still learning what I'm doing with all of this stuff. If you could please be as kind to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, leave me a comment, catch up with me over on Instagram, or connect with me in any way possible, and I will hopefully have that new vlog for you very, very soon, and I will catch you next time, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.